Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to restore an unsaved Word document. From the beginning, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you a lot. I think everyone had a moment when in a hurry or due to inattention you accidentally clicked Don't Save instead of the necessary save, and the document you have been working on for the last hour flew away to nowhere. And that's what to do in such situation. It's enough to know that Word, despite your desire, still keeps in reserve what you decided to give up. Was it on purpose or by mistake? I'll show you everything by example. I will not save the current document and will try to restore it using this function. Open a new Word document, then click File and go to the Info section. Click on the Manage Document icon, where we will find the desired feature. Click on the Recover Unsaved Documents option, after which you will see the Word folder with several files that you didn't know existed. And by clicking on the last file, you will see your lost document. But it's important to understand that this function works if in the settings of the program itself, which you will find on the Path File Options and Save, the checkboxes Keep the last auto-recovered version if I close without saving and Save to computer by default are checked. And also a short save interval is set, preferably 2 or 3 minutes, because the interval is initially set to 10 minutes. And I don't think anyone wants to lose 10 minutes of their work. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in comments. Have a nice day.